Well, in the last session, we learned how to create our wireframe, prototype, and bring our landing page to life. In this part, we need to learn how to make the pages we created bilingual. To make the website itself bilingual, we need to start BD, going to the pages and creating the English version of the main page we have. We go into the pages section. We click on edit, and when our page opens, it tells us down here that our page is in Persian. It indicates the language and says if you want to add the English version, you just need to click on this. I click on it. It creates it for me and asks for the title. I say, "Sir, put this as that page," and it's okay. And its language is English. We also publish this so that the English version of this page is created for us. If you look at its URL, you'll see that it added one for us. If I open it, it brings up the same page for us. Guys, the first step I need is that when I'm building my templates, my header and footer should also be different. That means if I go to the Save Templates section, I need to define that this Elementor should also be defined based on my language. We have a header and another Elementor header. If I edit these headers, I quickly hit edit. If I edit them, they have increased now because I can remove some items in the page settings, like the author category of my portfolio. Okay, let's execute this. Okay guys, I created another header. When I edit this, it tells me to display it only in Persian. You see, I define my language. I can create an English version of this and say, this is my English header. Okay, I publish this. It should now be able to bring up my English version when I'm in English because it's a plugin, which was related. Now I can go to my English page from my Persian page. Okay, this became my English version. Guys, it copied my header. Now I need to go and change it. You see, it even rearranged the header, logo, and other elements for me. Here I can directly go from here, you see, this became the header. I can open this header now. I can go back to the templates again. This is the header. I go back to the templates to do the same for the footer. Now, I need to create this English menu as well, so I have to open the menus. I close the extras and go to display the menus. I start by creating a new menu, which I decide to name Menu. After naming it, I make sure to save it properly. This is part of a larger process where I carefully plan and organize the menu items to ensure everything is in order. The menu serves as a crucial component in the overall system, allowing for easy navigation and access to various features. By meticulously setting up this menu, I ensure that users can interact with the system efficiently and effectively, enhancing their overall experience. I create a link for the home page saying it's absolutely correct with web design and ensure one for my courses. I create that too, blog and about us. This becomes our contact us. I define the menu and we save it. This becomes my English menu, guys. I have now defined the menus. I need to come and change the menus. Okay, here I come. I change the menu. I say instead of this main menu, read the main menu for me. Okay, he changed the menu for me, brought all of his brother's text. I can also change this, write request. Okay, this becomes my header. Guys, I also define its condition. I say the whole site. You see now my header has changed. What's the next thing, guys? It's the footer that I defined. Now I need to go and create an English version of my footer. I click on edit, and for the one in Persian, I click on the English version so that it duplicates it itself. This is the name of the base footer. I say, sir, publish it. I also say, sir, open it with Elementor so I can go and change its elements. We are done with the header. We closed it. Let's move on to the footer. We see this. Let's go to our footer. We will fix these alignments, starting from the left. We can also put an English text here, or I will translate this one quickly so we can do it fast. I won't go and copy our own content. I'll just translate this. I need to convert it from Persian to English, and this will be for the footer, right? We call this access. Well, we need these to align it correctly for the kids to fix the menu display. We write this again as services. We fix this. We say align, menu. We call it menu in Persian, services, and this becomes contact us. We change its content and write address, phone, and email. We put this as contact with P for phone and E for email. Let's do exactly the same thing to make it quick. We need to translate this, and I'll put it here. Well, again, I need a condition for the footer. I tell it to display throughout the entire site. Alright, I go back to my site. We have now set the header and footer in English. Now it probably couldn't recognize these items. We can see if we place them this way, because it might encounter issues in RTL, right to left. We refresh it again, and it displays correctly for us. It's a news folder, guys, because we don't have English content, meaning we don't have English text. It doesn't bring up a blog for us. If we duplicate our blog and place it, it will show up for us. Now we need to go and re-enter the items we want on our English page in English. Let me refresh this once so that the header and footer appear. We can easily switch between our Persian and English pages. So this is our English page, and we can write in English. This also changed our theme. I emphasize again, guys, with this simple method, and by defining different header and footer links, you can create 2 websites in Persian and English, or any language you have in mind. For any page you create, you can easily go and translate that page and create its versions in other languages. We have only added Persian and English for now, but you can define as many pages as you want. You can set your main page, header, footer, or other pages for it. This means you can easily create a multilingual website.